What's the meaning of conjugation? Conjugation. Conjugation.
Conjugation. Conjugation. Conjugation refers to the process of changing verbs to match their subject in grammatical person, number, and tense. In other words, it involves altering the form of a verb to express different meanings depending on the context. For instance, in English, the verb to be changes form to am, is, or are depending on whether the subject is first person singular, third person singular, or plural. Through conjugation, speakers can create more complex and nuanced sentences that clearly convey their intended meaning. Overall, conjugation plays a vital role in expressing accurate and precise language.